Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best industrial products, reviewed and broken down in 5 minutes. Today we're taking a closer look at what we're calling the best spill kit sign on the market, the SmartSign LB-1495-EU-14 spill kit station label. Whether you're setting up a new safety zone in your facility or upgrading your existing signage, this one should definitely be on your radar. So, what makes this label stand out? First, let's talk about visibility. This sign comes in a bold black on yellow color scheme, a tried and true combo when it comes to safety messaging. The contrast is sharp, making the label easy to read from a distance. It measures 10 inches by 14 inches, which is a pretty ideal size for visibility without being overwhelming. You can mount it in high-traffic industrial zones, near emergency response areas, or right above your actual spill kit station. Now let's get into the build quality. The material used here is a 4mm thick vinyl. It's not just some flimsy sticker. This is a durable, non-reflective decal that's made to take a beating. On top of that, the surface is laminated, which means it's protected against UV, weather exposure, and even graffiti. You heard that right, graffiti can actually be wiped off. That's a serious plus for any environment where things can get messy fast. It's also aggressively adhesive, which means once you place it, it stays in place. You won't need to worry about corners peeling or the whole thing coming off after a week. It adheres well to both flat and slightly curved surfaces. This makes it incredibly flexible whether you're putting it on a metal cabinet, a plastic bin, a wall, or even a window. And because of the laminated surface, cleaning is super easy. Grease, grime, or dust buildup. Just wipe it down, and it's good as new. That's a major win in industrial or commercial settings where dirt is part of the job. We should also point out that this label is designed to last up to 5 years even in outdoor conditions. That means if you're running operations in harsh environments, think rain, sun, or chemical exposure, this sign will still hold strong. That kind of longevity translates to real savings over time. You're not constantly replacing faded or damaged signs, which is something a lot of budget alternatives can't promise. So who is this product for? Facility managers, safety officers, warehouse supervisors, anyone responsible for maintaining a safe and compliant work environment. Having clearly marked stations can shave seconds off emergency response times, and we all know in spill situations, every second counts. To wrap it up, the SmartSign LB-1495-EU-14 spill kit station label is a high-performance safety sign that checks all the boxes. Durable, visible, weather-resistant, and easy to install. If you're setting up or upgrading your workplace spill response system, this is a smart, reliable choice that's definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review from Product Critique. See you next time with another practical product breakdown.